Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh! Let me see.
Oh!
It's not really what I thought.
It's a light pink.
It's kind of cool though.
I like it though because I like how your blonde is still in there.
Yeah.
It just looks highlighted.
I don't like the gray.
This is what it takes to get a good Snapchat.
Really. And now I'm just gonna wait for that turn because that's where the best lighting is. Oh hey! Welcome to week 20.
Y'all were kind of behind.
Okay.
I know.
Chill out.
I was a little disappointed.
I just realized it's Sunday. What? You're disappointed in what? The last video?
that you were behind.
Oh, sorry.
It's crazy sometimes.
We've been busy. 20.
I don't know.
I watched 720 today.
20. You're right. 20. Sorry, I thought it was 18. That was.
Can I say it, please? I never got to introduce it. Welcome to week 20.
Wonder why Cam never gets to introduce it. We here.
We doing better than ever.
We are on top of our game. We're gonna conquer the world in week 20. Here is the tentative plan for this week. Monday. No clue. Okay, I'm not gonna go day by day, but pretty much this week I think I finished nannying. We have a horse show. Wednesday is the cadets graduation, so I don't work Wednesday, I know that. Cody's gonna find out if he got a job or not.
Hopefully.
Maybe. Cameron has a dentist appointment. That's a very important thing. I think we're gonna hang out with friends Friday night. See if all that stuff is actually true.
You'll find out in the next 20 minutes.
Yeah. That's what I was trying to do by the hand thing. Oh, by the way, my hair's purple. I'm not really sure how I feel about it. It's kind of like weird looking.
She's the only one that's unsure about it. Everyone else loves it.
It's like the lighter parts of my hair took the color, but the darker blonde parts didn't really. So it's kind of like, almost like highlighted with purple. And like, I kind of like it. But the good thing is that it'll wash out really quickly. So, I mean.
I think she should like
nice.
it because she looks sexy as hell.
It's kind of nice because even though I'm unsure about it, I'm not panicking because it's not permanent, so.
No. It's like, well, you're just sitting there.
That's what he loves doing. He loves just putting his nose right by your ear.
On your knee here. Get a quick.
This is their period comfort foods.
A tall green tea frappuccino, double blended and no whipped cream.
Yeah.
Awesome. Anything else?
That's
for you?
white. Cameron could pay for the first 10.
I'll pay.
So Cody would. Thanks, Cody.
Yeah.
Love you.
We only love you when you pay for our service.
No. I'm here every day.
Literally every day.
Well, I had to do my time, so I did my time.
Dang it, she was just being so funny. Jam. Good morning. Hi, Daisy. We are up and ready to go. Hey, Goose. What's up, boy? What's up, boy? Well, I was purple for a day. It's like pretty much back to blonde. I mean, there's still some purple, but. Alright, fools. Oh, I shushed. I'll be back in a minute. We are leaving on an Alaskan cruise in 2 weeks. Alaska is part of America, as I'm sure everybody knows, but the cruise goes to Canada. To get to Canada, you need a passport. We decided to check our passport expiration dates today, and Cameron and my passports are expired! Yeah, we're in a little bit of a panic right now. Cameron just had to cancel her doctor's appointment, and I didn't have to cancel anything because I don't have anything planned. So we're going to get our passport pictures taken right now. Hopefully we're going to have them shipped to us, and hopefully they will be here in time for the cruise. I will keep everybody updated, I guess. dye is supposed to wash out, but it was supposed to like stay for like 8 washes. So this is my first wash and it's like already like a lot came out. So yeah, I'm just gonna see if I can get it professionally done. Panera with the sister. Yum. By the way, we got our passport pictures. We have a meeting tomorrow with somebody in Colorado who does emergency passport something. So it's basically if you're leaving in less than 2 weeks and realize that you need a passport because you're really dumb and you didn't check beforehand, then they'll get it for you like super quickly.
I had a meeting with Synthes today just to kind of deliver the final presentation. They offered me 2 positions, so that's cool. So went to work after that. Now I'm back home.
We're at the barn. I came in here really fast and Cameron's hair is all in front of me. And I'm lessening Hagen and Zipper. Oh.
Well, well, well. What do we have here? You guys having a cat meeting? How's it going, Johnny?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. We're going to get our passports something renewed
In an emergency-like fashion.
but it's all gonna be okay and we're gonna go on our trip in 2 weeks. Less than 2 weeks.
Passports take 4 to 6.
Also, Cody got me this book yesterday and I'm very excited about it. Arrived at our appointment.
Good morning. I found out I pretty much didn't get the Iceland job. I think they're kind of looking for someone a little bit more experienced. He actually said he really liked my enthusiasm about it and he wants me to keep an eye open for open position. I've got 2 job opportunities still, which are both really exciting. So, life update. Not moving to Iceland this year.
Passports are done.
Oh no.
We get them on Thursday. Mama's on the phone with Daddy.
As long as we all end up in the same place, you know? That's all I care about. Okay. All right, bye.
Day 2, Panera. Hey Goose. Hi. Hi. Alright, I'm headed to the barn. Bye. See you later. I have 3 horses to ride today, and then I will be headed to work after that. I'm done at the barn. I got 2 of the 3 ridden. Dang it. But I did Hagen's mane. So that makes up for it, kind of. Anyways, I get in the car and I am starving. I just want to say, Cameron, shout out to you for leaving half of your Kit Kat bar yesterday. I'm incredibly thankful and I'm going to eat it all right now.
There's about, how many people do you say are coming over?
12 to 15 maybe?
In
12.
probably an hour, half an hour. We are mad dash cleaning the house. The cadets' families are in town.
This is Cody cleaning for his big, or not his, oh, I spit on the camera side. Well, this one's over.
Found the goal. Yeah, it's his new glasses.
That looks so good.
That's what it was.
Every time I'm supposed to keep one to my seat. I tried to look nice and this
Oh, this is gonna, oh, if I lose on the vlog, okay.
Yeah,
I'm not coming.
pressure's on, pressure's on.
Like if you think I'm better.
I feel good.
You ready?
Sure. Go!
Just let me win, please.
Started,
Yeah,
like,
no.
someone,
Just check this out.
are you trying to show off your muscles?
I had cancer once.
Come on!
Oh God, this is.
I'm sweating.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, just take a break. Ooh,
Okay,
time
I'm
out,
my
time out.
Alright,
Alright, time back in.
winner!
I feel bad.
Oh,
for
look
your
at that
hand.
muscle, Jan.
Me too.
Yeah, maybe it's like for the vlog.
Why is your arm short?
You do have a long forearm, dude.
I grew up in
You're
this
kind of like just one continuous,
enough food.
continuous limb, just like.
Oh, I'm so weak on my left.
It's such a
Oh.
wonder.
Oh, I messed up. I was supposed to do like a cool like.
There we go.
Whatever.
Good morning. It's Wednesday.
Good morning.
Air Force graduation day.
Good morning.
Good morning.
That our sponsor family gave us. They are water bottles that say "Respect all, fear none." Graduation 2017.
Oh wow, that got
In
bright
that
quick.
cool camelback, and they're filled with snacks.
We are ready to watch some cadets graduate.
Now what are we gonna do for 4 hours?
Don stole my punchline. I was gonna say, we're ready to see some cadets graduate in 3 hours.
I'll put in laughter. Let's do it.
Thanks.
I'm in my sunglasses.
Located on the north side of the stadium. At the end of the ceremony, golf carts will be stationed at the stadium gates to pick up mobility impaired guests and bring them back to the handicapped parking.
They're all lined up and ready. Zach and Connor are in there somewhere.
These officers are selected through a highly competitive process before returning to the academy as instructors.
Please welcome General Dunford.
More importantly, thanks for your willingness to come back and serve as our Secretary of the Air Force.
In accomplishing the academic requirements for graduation. We use the term distinguished graduate.
Sapita. Zachary James Campbell. Robert Joseph Blake Shiver. Karen Michelle Wolf.
Everyone's happy campers now. We're on Squadron 22. How many? 40? There's 40 squadrons. Nice umbrella, dude.
Lillian Ramey.
There it is.
Christian Johannes Eels. Michael Jones.
You got Christian, right?
Yep, I'm on him.
Connor Hugh Watson. Traeger Anders Kavik.
Gates will open immediately after the end of the Thunderbirds Airshow. We appreciate your safe.
So do each of you, having been appointed a second lieutenant in the United States Air Force, do solemnly swear that you will support and defend the Constitution of the United States against all enemies, foreign and domestic, that you will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that you take this obligation freely, without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion, and that you will well and faithfully discharge the duties you are about to enter. So help you God. Dismissed!
6 as he performs.
I went to Secretariat.
Ladies and gentlemen, perhaps no other maneuver is more closely associated. Looking front.
Watson. Sorry.
Oh, salad.
Take it out, dude. Congratulations, man. Oh, I love you, buddy.
Team Thunderbird and the inspirational Delta.
Woohoo!
Okay, ready? 1, 2.
Exactly.
Or 2.
Take good care of your kids.
I'm like looking over at you guys. You guys are like, I wouldn't have made it without having a great family. To Nebraska this summer. Oh my gosh, it's our honor. Truly, it's our honor.
Hey, thanks, Cameron. Thanks.
No.
Oh, hey, thanks, Cam. No. What do you say?
Thank you, Cameron.
What's up, buddy?
This is our first show. Wait, no, keep recording us. Okay.
Is Hagen going up too?
Yeah.
All loaded up. We're taking this thing. Boys in the back. Well, boys in this car. Just got done unhooking the trailer. Hey, good looking. Kennedy's just hacking a couple horses before we head out. Gotta jump this one. Good morning. I am on my way to work. Clint's coming in today to start kind of taking a look at the job because he's probably going to take over for me.
Hey! We're going to pick up our passports and then we're gonna go run some errands and then be at the show.
Off to get our passports.
4-7. Dover. We out here.
Save
We
all my
wasting our money.
graduation money to blow it here in 2 seconds.
I just walked out of Dover only spending $2 on a main comb.
Hey boy, we out here. Go get those passports.
Earlier, we went to get our passports and we stood in a line forever.
Forever.
Up to the window and he's like, yeah, you can't get your passports until 1 o'clock. Your appointment doesn't, or your passports aren't ready until 1.
I just want everyone to think she's a bad driver.
So we went to the show and I rode Hagen, Zipper, and Paul, and then Cameron hacked Paisley, and Javier gave us his lunch, which was really nice because he wasn't hungry and he knew that we needed to eat. We don't have our mommy here, so he just gave us his food.
With his Sabrinas.
And now we're running back to the passport office, and then after that we'll go back to the show, and then I'm gonna help Mark and JJ for a while, and then we show later tonight.
Today's my first show on Paisley. I don't care if we win or lose, I'm just excited to kick some ass.
Look at that! Woo!
Here, it's right down here. Oh wait, that's not good.
Jan, give us an inspiring quote of the day.
Happy hours, Monday to Friday, 2 to 6 p.m.
Treat others the way you want to be treated.
That's cliche. I don't have any quotes. Margaritas are good for the soul.
My friend works
Do you squeeze it when you put it in there?
Did you ever see like the grilled cheese festival?
It's May 26th and it's freezing.
Let's just get fatties.
Happy birthday, happy. Oh, which one are we singing?
Let's do the regular one.
Happy birthday to you, dear Oliver. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Good morning. I'm headed up to the horse show now. Get to go see Kenn and Kam show. I'm gonna get going so I'm not late. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, amigo. Time for win.
Oliver, you better quit barking.
I better quit barking.
But I'm really proud of him because there were like 4 jumps in there that he had to like, you may not have seen it, but I felt his effort where he's like,
I think she wants for as much as...
Still got your backpack on.
oh shit. Keep it in the car.
Such a dork.
I was like... Keep this weight down like that. Oh yeah, that's not right.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6 AD, 7, 11, inside turn 12, gallop 13.
Nice. Cameron, what did you do? We're all running.
My toes if they go wet, they're like, that would be so bad.
I'm glad I'm not with my wife.
Look at my legs. I fell. He was like, he had his head rested on jackpot when they were.
Kenn and Kam are done. We're leaving the horse. Well, we're leaving the horse show now. I don't know what the rest of today holds, but
just an update, vlog number 19.
this will be what? That's Bree. Aaron's girlfriend. Oh God. We're playing Mario Kart, and I'm beating Aaron.
Don't lick it.
Aaron's losing.
Oh my gosh, so hot.
Yo, what's up everybody? I'm Ian from Australia visiting Colorado Springs for the first time.
I'm from Australia too.
Abe.
Surprisingly
Joe.
not bear glue, but it's Gorilla Glue. We would
We're
use
hanging
that
out.
kind, so.
Yeah, we are.
I already introduced you to them. Or, well, Aaron's been on the vlog, so it's fine.